All right, let's talk about one of the best parts of doing your own taxes, deductions. You know, those little magic line items that can actually lower how much your income gets taxed. Most people either don't use them enough or don't even realize they qualify. So today, I'm breaking down 5 big deductions that could save you real money. First up, student loan interest. If you're paying off those loans, you might be able to deduct up to $2,500 of interest each year. Doesn't matter if you take the standard deduction, you can still claim this one. So if you're hustling to pay Sally Mae, at least the IRS gives you a tiny break. Second, medical expenses. Here's the catch. Only the amount that's more than 7.5% of your adjusted gross income counts. But if you've had a rough year with hospital bills, surgeries, or prescriptions, this could be a serious deduction. Third, self-employment taxes. If you freelance, do Uber, or run a side hustle, you've got a treasure chest of deductions waiting for you. Think of your laptop, your phone bill, part of your rent, if you work from home, even mileage on your car. The IRS basically says if it's an ordinary and necessary expense for your business, you probably can write it off. Fourth, educator expenses. Teachers, listen up. You can deduct up to $300 of your classroom supplies you bought with your own money. And let's be real, every teacher spends way more than that. It's not enough, but it's something. And finally, charitable contributions. Donating to a qualified charity can reduce your taxable income, but you've got to keep receipts. And no, your friend's GoFundMe for their vacation doesn't count. So why does this matter? Because every deduction lowers the amount of income that the government can tax. And the less taxable income you have, the less you owe, or the bigger your refund. So the bottom line is this: most people leave money on the table at tax time. But if you know your deductions, you're basically flipping the script and keeping more of your own cash. So what do you think? Should I do a deep dive on self-employment write-offs next? That's a gold mine for freelancers. Drop a comment if you want me to break it down.